Hey guys! Today our topic is long column and short column. So move toward our today's topic. Long column and short column. Long column and short column are the two types of columns used in the construction. The column is basically defined as the vertical member of a structure, and it will be subjected to vertical compressive loads. The line of action of the compressed load will pass through the axis of the columns, or sometimes parallel to the axis of the columns. In simple, a member of a structure will be termed as a column if it is perpendicular and its two ends are strictly fixed and subject to axial vertical compressive load. Long column. In the design phase of columns, we must determine the group of the columns, which are basically divided into two groups based on the length and lateral dimensions of the columns. A long columns is basically defined as a columns by which the ratio of the efficient size of the column to the least lateral dimension of the column is greater than 12. Important characteristics in long columns. Long columns will fail due to buckling or bending. For longer columns, Euler's theory will apply. The lateral dimension will be significantly smaller than the length of the columns. The ratio of slenderness will be greater than 45, while the ratio of the effective length of the columns to the lowest lateral dimension of the columns will be greater than 12. The load carrying capacity will decrease with an increase in column length. Short columns. Short columns are basically defined as columns by which the ratio of the efficient length of the columns to the bottom lateral dimension of the columns is less than 12. Important characteristics in short column. Small columns will only fail due to crushing or direct compression. In these types of columns, Rankin's principle will apply. The lateral dimensions will be larger than the length of the columns. The slenderness ratio will be less than 45, while the ratio of the effective length of the columns to the lowest lateral dimension of the columns will be less than 12. For short columns, load carrying capacity will be increased with a decrease in column length. If you enjoyed our today's video, then like and share our today's video and subscribe our channel.